Oil long-term technical analysis for the week of November 14th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, has been shooting straight up yet again, and it does appear that testing 100 is a given at this point. However, we feel that the move is a little bit extended, so we're actually looking for pullbacks and would welcome one to at least 95 in order to go long of this market. We certainly don't want to short it. We need to see some extreme bearish action at this point in time to even consider that. And it does appear that this market is going to go much, much higher given enough time. Whether or not it can reach some of the lofty areas like 148, which we saw its all-time high a while back, a couple years ago, is another question. But the move right now definitely looks well overdone. And having said that, though, it does look very supportive. I mean, we have a nice W pattern forming that's deep. It's $25 deep or so. So we feel 100 is going to be vital, and watching that area, if we can close above that on the daily, we would be comfortable buying. We also are comfortable buying on supportive action down to 95 and perhaps even 90. Looking at the Brent markets, it's another interesting area that we find ourselves in because we are currently just at the top of this downward channel that we've seen kind of take hold here over the last roughly 7 or 8 months. And as you can see, we actually have poked through it a couple times. So if this gives way, this will be a very interesting technical move. It should lead to much higher prices. We think that 115 will give some issues, which is right about where we're at now. So buying now is certainly it's buying into resistance. It's definitely not what you want to do. So you at least want to see a pullback before you consider something like that. 120 we think is the ultimate. If we can get above 120, this market's going to skyrocket much higher. Long-term outlook's probably pretty favorable, one would assume, unless the world goes into massive recession, which headlines out of Europe could change that at any given moment. But the reality is that oil remains in demand, and as such, this pair or this market should continue to climb.